So our next technique, technique number 2, is going to be borrowing from the parallel minor of the major key that you're presumably playing in. So we're playing in C major. That means we're going to be able to borrow chords from C minor. So this works like this. So let's say I want to borrow from one of the minor chords in the subdominant region. I want to swap out F for something else besides D minor 7 like we did in the previous technique. I can go with F minor, I can go with A flat, or I can go with D minor 7 flat 5. Any of the chords that are on the inside of the circle. Remember, the inside of the circle represents the minor chords from the parallel minor key that you're playing in. So let's try this. Let's go C, swap out the F for A flat, go to the 5 like we did before, and back to the 1. So there you go. There's the authentic cadence detector that we talked about also. Let's do the same thing with the 5 chord. Let's take a chord from the inside of this circle of fifths, either B flat, G7, or B diminished 7, and see what that sounds like. So we'll put the F, excuse me, we'll put the F back where it was. We'll go C, F, and swap out G for this B flat chord. There we go. Or we can do both. Let's use A flat and B flat. Let's just get rid of F and G altogether. Very Michael Jackson-esque, right? So that's how you would do that. Now, this only kind of works one way. I can't be in a minor key and borrow from major, all right? You can only borrow from minor in major, not the other way around. You can do this. This is one thing you might see in a song that's in a minor key. You might see 1, 4, 5, major 1 chord. That's called the Picardy third. That shows up all the time, especially in classical music. But other than that exception right there, you can't meander from inside the circle to outside the circles, all right? Except if you're using that Picardy third technique where you're going 4, 5, major 1 chord.